Hello and welcome to the channel. It's like 5 degrees here in southeastern PA, and that thing right there does not like to run in the cold. And every morning when I go to start it, she's struggling. So I need to put an outside receptacle here so I can plug this monster in at night, as you can see. And I got a neat trick for that too as well, which I'll show you later. Right now we got Paul from D&T Detailing. He's also a full-time electrician. He's going to assist me with it.
It's too cold to be doing this.
I know. Just imagine how the truck feels.
Put a blanket around it. I'm trying to think when I had mine. It was cold, but I don't know if it got this cold.
Nah. Go figure. It's my first year having a diesel. And it's probably the coldest year that we've had in probably over a decade.
Doubled up. I peeled up. That's doubled up on something, whatever that is. If they're marked right or not, that's the next question. I don't even know what that is spliced together there.
The next day.
We didn't film all the work that we did because we wanted to get it knocked out. It was getting late, it was cold. Looks good. Nice and clean. Actually labeled some of the stuff in the box. We did discover one thing. The reason why we had to go this route and add a new box for down here, our hot water heater is on a separate breaker. It has separate servers. So we actually, because in the forums I was finding that the block heaters run about 12 amps, and as you can see we're out of space in here. I'm no electrician by any means. That's why I have my buddy Paul. And big thank you to Paul for helping me out with this. And so we went this route. We added another breaker onto the separate service for the hot water heater. And then come to find out, it was only drawing 5.9 amps. So about 6 amps is what the 2017 Cummins block heater is drawing. But that's all installed, nice and clean, labeled. And this is installed. And we got it plugged into the truck. Wow, that's the first time I started it all weekend, and we've been in the single digits and probably dipping into the negative digits during the nights. So it started right up. It sounds good. But let me show you this next little trick. JR from Alberta, Canada made the suggestion. He follows me on Instagram. I'm not sure if he follows me on YouTube. I did tell him I was going to give him a shout out on YouTube for this idea. So I'm going to install that now. The whole family's going to be a part of this installation. It is 10 degrees outside. The wife's not going to last though. She's just going to help me line up the hole, and then she's going inside. What do you think? We'll put it in the middle.
Probably in the middle, don't you think?
Does that look good? Like distance-wise between here and there? Or should I go down a little
I
bit?
think you should go down a little bit.
Right there?
It's hard because that's curved up there, but yeah, I think that.
All right. Perfect. All right, we're gonna clean that up a little bit. And this is what we're gonna be installing right here. It's gonna make it nice and clean so you don't have this hanging outside of the truck. Pretty sharp. Thanks, JR, for the idea. This is only like 23 bucks on Amazon, and I'll have the link in the description below. I really like having someone hold the camera for me. This is so much easier. I could be natural. What? Ha! Kettle and I went to Home Depot to get some hardware. It comes with like 3 little black screws. We got some bolts and nuts. Stainless steel. God, should have got some sandpaper when we were there. Alright. Cool. Ah, there you go. That's much better. Look who came back out. Oh, is this a temporary visit?
Yes.
Oh, what?
God, it's cold outside.
Oh, I know. So this is a 2-inch hole saw, bit that we use to drill the hole for this. I think we're going to use a 3/16 drill bit to drill the 3 holes for the bolts and nuts. Say hi, Kendall. Is she doing a good job, guys? It was Kendall's birthday.
29th?
Yeah, the 29th, but we got to celebrate it yesterday.
Yep, of December, because it's not the 29th yet, so because it's January.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah. You want to...
Tell the viewers. Turn the camera around on yourself and tell the viewers how old you are.
I'm 11, and I had an awesome birthday party.
Alright. Let's go back outside and freeze. Does that look pretty straight, Kay? Right there? The prongs? Look straight?
Turn it a little bit that
Which way?
counterclockwise.
That way?
Yeah, right there.
Right there? Okay. I summons the wife back. She's going to help me screw these in. There's 3 of them.
I'll put it in the hole.
Yeah, there's 3 little holes.
Forward.
Well, you got to push that in the hole there. There you go.
Okay,
I
tell me when
gotta
you're ready.
find it. This might be a new way to do install videos, ladies and gentlemen.
And boys and girls.
Dogs and cats. Birds and bees.
Frogs and fish.
Lizards.
And
I
birds.
think I'm on it. I'll just get it snugged, and then we'll start another one. You don't want to make it too tight, I'll make the other one too. Okay. One down on this side.
At the other top.
I think that's it. I think I got it. Yeah, girl.
Want me to go and get your tissue?
Don't I have a
Oh, thank you, babe.
Don't I have a great family, guys? Look at this. The whole family. Hold on one second, babe. You're fast.
So, honey, you don't have to. Thank you, though.
All right, try it now. I got a great family. We're all out here. It's 10 degrees, and we're doing this hard. I think it's as far as it's gonna go on. Try pulling on it real quick. Okay. Let me get the- I'll start with that one.
This bottom one.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You just want to hold it there and let me wrench?
Yep.
Alright, let's go to the next one. That one up over there?
This one.
Yeah. I believe I'm on it.
Oh, yeah, you're on it.
How you hanging?
Good.
Kylie's doing good. I'm doing good. Kendall, how you doing?
How you doing, Kendall?
Pretty good. Freezing, but I'm good.
I can't feel my toes anymore.
Alright, let's go to the next one.
That's just Daddy.
What?
When you start your truck up, does any of
Alright, go.
your things down here start it up too?
What do you mean?
Like, when you start your truck up, does this start it up? Does this?
The whole truck starts
The
up
whole
when the truck starts up.
Yeah, the engine that I'm underneath of right now, that starts up.
Which one?
That big thing underneath my head.
Oh, this?
No, up. Straight up.
This. This does.
Yep.
Oh.
How's it look, babe?
It looks clean.
Does it?
Uh-huh.
Does it look flat?
It does. It's flush. You like that terminology?
Yeah. you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? It's flush.
And cats and dogs.
All right. Look good?
My gosh, it looks golden. Look at how beautiful that is.
That's the female. I just need the male. Okay. And it should want to come back here anyway, because I think that's where this was originally mounted.
It so sucks because of your light bar.
I'm like touching the light bar.
Yeah, I know, but your light bar just doesn't give enough room for the... Oh wait, okay, wait, hold on.
Got it.
Woo!
Got it.
Just gotta put it in the hole, baby.
There we go. That's it. Yep.
Yeah. Good job getting it in the hole. You got it.
Oh, that's clean. You know what probably happened when you started tightening it in? You turned.
Now?
No, I bet you that's what it is.
What?
Because if you rotate this, the holes would be perfect.
Right.
It moved. It probably moved.
Oh, I see what you're
Yeah.
doing now.
Yeah, because she did have it lined perfectly.
Well, I don't know. There's holes still lined up.
Yeah, but they could line up. There's 3 holes. They're all in the same spot. So you could rotate this. Not 360, but rotate. You could rotate it 360, but you could also rotate it once over. And if you rotate it once over, it'd be
Right.
perfect.
So these two were up here.
Thanks, JR, for the suggestion. Awesome.
I like it. That's actually a really good idea.
Plug the truck in.
What do you mean?
Did you know that Daddy's truck plugs in? It won't turn on, baby. Don't worry, it won't be loud.
Yep.
What happened?
Nothing. It's a heater. It heats the truck when it's cold outside. Oh, we gotta fix something. Our jobs are never done. Our jobs are never done. Where are those cutters at? You're silly.
I missed the dramatic cutting.
You missed the cutting.
Dun, dun, dun.
Take 2.
Take 2. Not take 3.
They gotta line all 3 prongs up, okay? Did you get it? It's in?
Yep.
Good job. See, even the kids could plug the truck in. Hey, plug Daddy's truck in at night. You know what to do now. Right?
How can I do it?
Next time.
Well, you see where it comes from? And then you just literally plug it in.
That's it. Add it to the list.
Chores.
Yeah, add it to the list of chores and add it to your list. If you live in a cold climate area, but Pennsylvania is not normally this cold. I mean, we have cold winters, but not this cold. You're gonna need one of these. It looks a lot nicer than having a plug sticking outside the front bumper of your truck.
You got that right, bub.
Got that right, bub. And we're going inside because it's cold. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're stopping by the first time, please subscribe. And if you did like the video, give us a thumbs up. We always have a lot of information in the description below, including this part right here. So check it out. Move the blanket.
Rookie. All right, guys.
See you at the
Stay
next
warm.
upload. And stay warm. And keep your Cummins warm, too.
Oh.